Hi everyone. So in this video I will show you how to temporarily or even permanently repair the handle of your sink. So if it gets really hard, when you pull it up really hard, you can take an Allen key, as you can see there, unscrew a bit, take the handle off, take W40 or 3-in-1 and spray just all around there. So then you can put your handle on and avoid to call a plumber for a simple task like this. So that's very easy, and it will save you lots of time and money. It just probably needs to be oiled. This was very hard. It was almost very easy to break, to put it up, and now it's like really good. So that's a homemade way to do something quick and cheap.